What if your 3D printer could print with ABS-based materials with almost no shrinkage? Here's how we solved the ABS shrinkage with LPD Plus technology. Zortrax Inventure has been built around an enclosed heated printing chamber. The chamber is practically sealed off from the surrounding environment. While all ABS-based materials shrink about 8% during cooldown in an open 3D printer, Zortrax Inventure keeps the temperature right in the material's optimal range, significantly reducing this effect. That's why Zortrax Inventure can 3D print with almost no shrinkage, even with ABS-based materials, guaranteeing proper dimensional accuracy. See what else the Zortrax Inventure 3D printer can do for you.